Hello everyone! Ninja stars are always fun to play with. So here I am, back with another ninja star video. Let's make the four-bladed transforming ninja star. It's very easy to make and it's one of the fastest ninja stars. So let's begin. Firstly, take an A4 size paper and cut it to form a square. Fold it in half. You'll get a crease line. Take the first part and fold it in half, and then the second part and fold it in half. Repeat the step. Take one edge and fold it to form a triangle. The second edge is a bit tricky. Open one flap and fold it into a triangle. You will find a crease line. Fold upward to make another triangle. Fold to the middle line. Notice that there is a pocket at the pointed side. Fold in such a way that the pocket is outside. Tuck it in and it is sealed. Now our first piece is ready. We need 4 such pieces. Insert each piece to the bottom of the other. This will form a square. Pull each piece outward and our 4-pointed ninja star is ready. It transforms very easily and spins fast too. I hope you liked our video. Thank you.